Hello everyone. We are Team Code Monks. Our app is called Kisan Seva, which helps farmers to make use of the modern technology to increase their efficiency. This app is easy to use and understand. We have a multi-language support for this app to ensure that farmers can use it easily without any difficulties and anybody to help them. For now, we have two languages. Later, we'll add more languages to it. Now we have only English and Hindi. This app uses user number as the authentication and verifies that number by sending an OTP to the user. The OTP is automatically verified. The first feature is renting tools. Many farmers in India find buying agricultural equipment and tools to be expensive. Maybe because they have a small land or because tools are very expensive for them. To solve this problem, we have provided a platform in our app where the farmers who have these tools can post an ad by uploading a photo like so, providing a name for it like pesticide sprayer here, and the cost to use it or rent it for 1 day, category to choose, and adding a description like 3 filled. Our next feature is the feed feature. It's important to keep farmers updated about the new methodologies, technologies involved in the agriculture so that they can use it to increase the yield or the production of their field. So we have the feed feature in which we provide them with the latest news and smart farming techniques they can follow to increase the yield. We also provide them with a dialer to dial the toll-free number for any help if they want. And then we have a weather app which weather forecast, which shows the weather forecast for the current location where they are situated, and later the articles are directed to the main article from which we acquire the information so that they can know more about the know more about the news. We have categories to filter which category of equipments we want, like tractor, harvesters, pesticides, etc. And if we want to rent an tractor or any equipment, we can just press on it and then press on contact icon to directly contact the owner who has posted the ad.
So hi guys, this is Utkarsh Agarwal from Code Monks, and I am going to explain about the feature of plant disease recognition. So basically this feature of plant disease recognition was made using the TensorFlow Lite models, where using the teachable machine learning provided by Google, we provided a data set of plant diseases, some 4000 images. We trained that model and convert into TensorFlow Lite and integrated it using the TensorFlow Lite plugin. So it's a small demo where I'm gonna show how this feature works. So we have given a floating app button where we have made a choice whether the farmer needs to capture the pic of the plant directly or he has to import it from the gallery. So for now I'm using some downloaded images like from the gallery. So I have these images. You can see for now, like if I try this image, so you can see it shows it's actually a tomato late blight disease. So along with the disease name, we are also providing with the cure, how that thing can be removed. So it shows that remove all affected leaves and burn them or place them in the garbage and all. Now see, I'm gonna test it on a healthy plant. So you can see it's a pepper bell and shows healthy cure. So it shows your plant is already healthy. So this was the feature of plant disease recognition made using the TensorFlow Lite models. Okay, now we're gonna talk about the second ML model of our app, which is the crop prediction. So the crop prediction app, in this I'll just show you. You can see it first asks give the air humidity. So like let's see 23, air temperature, let's be 19 degrees, rainfall of about 158, soil humidity of 56, and soil pH of 7.8. So if we send all this information, this all information is sent to our server ML model, which is written in Python using NumPy and Pandas library, and using the decision tree algorithm. We are predicting the crop based on these values. Actually, first of all, we decided that we are gonna make something kind of a IoT node MCU model which will give all these values to us, but due to time constraints and lack of proper equipments, we couldn't make a IoT model. So we decided to provide these values by ourselves, so that we can just predict a crop using these values. So I'm just gonna send these values to our server, and you will see it shows in the update using. So you see, as soon as it goes, it fetches the value and tells that according to the values given, the predicted crop is mango. So this was the crop prediction using a machine learning. I'll just gonna show you the code of it, which is on my server. So now let me take you to my desktop site.
Through the Smart Connect feature, a farmer can realize the true value for his harvest. Through this feature, price manipulation by MNCs and other big players are avoided. The farmer can post his produce with a guaranteed MSP. Also, the interested traders can bid for the produce within the given time limit, and the highest bidder can procure the product directly from the farmer without any intervention from the middleman. The feature also solves some of the shortcomings of the Farmer Agreement of Price Assurance and Farm Services Bill 2020. This is a sample of adding a harvest by the farmer.